Arunachal Pradesh Congress Committee is very much with the student in the state and around the country with their genuine demand of cancellation of terminal semester examination. University Grant Commission and central government has to understand that adamantly conducting terminal examination of terminal students of colleges and universities of no solution. It will lead to nowhere when the entire country is under the threat of COVID-19 pandemic, which is at the community level spread, and to prevent that, there is series of lockdown declared by the different state at their convenient. When it comes to a state like Arunachal Pradesh, which is already under the burden of COVID-19 pandemic, and to add on that burden, Arunachal Pradesh is facing lots of trouble and problem due to constant heavy rainfall leading to flood, landslide and unwarranted road blockages in every kilometer you move on to. And there is rapidly increasing number of COVID-19 cases, and to prevent that, the state government had announced unplanned, not strategically, lockdown leading to economic crisis. And at this condition, at this situation, Arunachal do have central university and colleges where students not only from surroundings, from other districts, from other states like Jammu Kashmir, like Manipur, like Nagaland, like from Assam, students, they study there. And at this time of situation, UGC, the declaration of UGC and the central government to conduct terminal examination is not wise. How the students are expected to travel to examination center in Arunachal to write their examination when there is road blockages due to heavy rainfall, all the link road, approach road are washed away. When it comes to 40% of payment of examination fees, it is well known that not only Arunachal, the entire country is reeling under economic crisis. Students from poor family, how they would afford to pay the examination fees, even if it is 40% of it. This is not the time to be adamant, to be stubborn on illogical, unreasonable decision. It is time to think wisely, and I appeal that UGC, University Grant Commission, to roll back, to rethink on their decision to conduct terminal examination for the better future of the student, for the better academic pursuance of the students. We as a country cannot afford to conduct a simple mere terminal examination on the risk of students' lives and health. I appeal our state government to immediately update to the central government about the current situation of Arunachal Pradesh, the natural calamity, the pandemic, the threat of pandemic which the state, with the people of the state is undergoing. An appeal to the UGC, or write to the UGC or the central government for the cancellation of terminal examination and stand by the students' genuine demand